All right, guys. All right, so I made a live a couple of minutes ago. I wasn't really feeling the way it came out because got a little sidetracked. So I'm just gonna make this live video real quick. It's gonna be a fast one because a lot of people keep inboxing me. You know, they've been asking me what drop shipping is. So I'm just gonna answer that for you guys really fast. All right. So basically, what drop shipping is when you list an item on whatever website you want, whether it be eBay, whether it be Shopify, whether it be Amazon, all right? And you list that item for whatever price you want, all right? You're just reselling an item on your website, on eBay, Amazon, Shopify, whatever method you want to use. But you're not actually holding an inventory of these items, okay? So when someone orders from you, you're then going to pay your wholesaler. So let's say you list an item for $250, right? On your website, on eBay, on Amazon, whatever it is. And then your customer buys from you, all right? Then let's say your wholesaler, your supplier, whatever you want to call them, is charging $100, all right? All right, so you listed your item for $250. So once your customer buys from you, you then pay your wholesaler $150. Oh, sorry. All right, so your item is $250, right? And your wholesaler is charging $100 for them. So when a customer buys your item from you, you're going to take $100 of the $250 from your customer, and you're going to pay your wholesaler, and $150 will become your profit margin. All right, and you can multiply this per sale. So if you make 4 sales a day, you know, you're going to make $250 per sale. That's $1,000 a day, right? And that's $1,000 a day revenue. Your profit would be, because again, you'd be paying your vendor $100. So it'd be 150 times 4, which is, rough numbers, $450 a day. Something like that, right? 550 a day, I think I completely botched those numbers. But yeah, that's pretty much all it is. You list an item for a certain price. You pay your vendor after your customer buys from you. You're not holding inventory. So no, you're not going to have a warehouse where you live. What's going on, Jordy? Who else is commented? Monica, what's going on? So you're not going to have a warehouse in your house, full of a bunch of items that no one's buying. That's not how it goes. People are going to buy from you, and then you buy from your wholesaler. Not a moment before that, unless you want to do white labeling, which we're not going to get into. I'm really just making this video because I've been getting a lot of people asking me, DMing me, asking me what dropshipping is. So I'm just going to refer you guys to this video. So if you guys get a video link, that is why, all right? So again, you list an item for a certain price. Let's say you list it for $50, right? And then your wholesaler is charging $25, right? So every time you make a sale, you pay your wholesaler $25. $25 is then your profit. All right, so another thing is, once your customer buys from you, what I like to do is I just like to buy the item from my wholesaler, and as their shipping address, I just use the customer's shipping address for the shipping address. It's pretty simple. Not that complicated. You can make it as complicated or as complex as you want. I like to keep things simple. I don't use paid traffic anymore. I do mostly free traffic now. And that's it. That's it. All right, guys? So that's it. Have a great night. Take care.